Hey guys, I just got home from school. I'm gonna show you, well, it's kind of messy in here, but oh well. I'm gonna show you, since I was supposed to post a video yesterday, but I didn't have a video to post, so I didn't post a video. So today I'm just gonna do a short video showing you how I make lemonade. Since it is the hottest day here that has been this whole year, I think it was like 92 degrees. Oh, that was wet. Okay. So, normally I just do lemonade, normal lemonade, like the fair lemonade. This is the type of lemonade I'm making. State Fair lemonade. Okay? Fair lemonade, whatever. So normally I just make lemonade, but today we had raspberries, so I'm gonna make it raspberry lemonade because I like that too. So what you're gonna need is one whole lemon, some raspberries, sugar. I use like a third cup of sugar. Bigger cup, this is 800 milliliters. Like, wait, I don't know how to read. 800 milliliters, whatever that is, in ounces or whatever. Maybe like 16 ounces, maybe. I don't know. And then ice. I only have 3 ice cubes, so that'll have to work. Then also, you're gonna need a lid because you need to shake it. So you could either use like a lid, but I like just using this lid because then I can just drink out of it. But you could also get a cup like this and shake it like that. That gives you a better shake, but then I have to dirty 2 cups and I don't want to do that. So what you're gonna start out with, oh wait, also you need a rolling pin or something to mash it with. So yeah. So to begin, I always begin with rolling my lemon. Really get in there, roll it till it's squishy. Make sure you take off the sticker. And it's so hot outside, it's 92 degrees like I already said, so that's why I'm making this, because it's very refreshing. And then I'm gonna do my nails for summer. They're gonna be so cutesy, like summer nails. And I did this little tattoo on me at school. Is that better lighting? Oh well. Okay. Now that we have that rolled out, we're gonna take a little knife, and for some reason I always forget how you cut. Okay, so you're gonna cut a long way and long way. Okay, so you have 4 pieces. You can wash them if you want. You can take the seeds out if you want. I just throw it all in there. Before we do that, don't get too ahead of yourself. Gonna take our 1/3 cup of sugar. And you might want to do a little less than 1/3 of a cup, depending on how sweet or not sweet you want it. See, I just take a little bit less. And it should fill up like just the bottom. I'm gonna pour a little bit back in. Okay, now that you have that, we're gonna take our lemons and squeeze. Oh, that just completely squeezed at me instead of the cup. Okay. Squeeze it into the cup. And then just drop it in. This part's optional. You don't have to squeeze it first. I just like to. Alright, so I just kind of forgot what I do at this step to add the raspberries. But now I remember. So you just take a bowl and take your raspberries, clean them, which I already cleaned them. And you're just gonna grab a few. Grab a fork. And you're just gonna mash them. Okay, now back to the lemons. So we take our crusher and we're just gonna make sure you hold your cup when you do it so you don't slide it out from under you. This is the most effective way that I've found to do it. The state fair, they have those presses, or the fair, they have those lemon presses, and it just squeezes right into the cup. But, because juicing a lemon just with a normal juicer doesn't always give me what I want. So that's why I do this. Then we add the raspberries in. You can also do this with blueberries or strawberries. I've tried. And you also have to take into account that I might need to add a little bit more sugar because the raspberries will make it even more bitter. Now we're going to rinse this off because it's wood and that would stain. Okay. Okay. Now that we have this, we're going to add a little and one ice cube. That melted. You don't want to add all the ice cubes at the same time because when you add the ice cubes and then you shake it, the ice cube is gonna melt and break up really fast. So this first ice cube is just to get it cold. Then you can shake it. I think I added a little bit too many raspberries, but that's okay. Now you put your other ice cubes in and fill it to the top. Put your lid back on. We have one more shake. Straw. It does need more sugar, so I should have just added the full 1/3 cup, but normally I would, but then I forgot that I was adding raspberries, so I did it. Perfect. Now you have good lemonade for the hot days like this. Let me know down below if you try this or if you've already have this recipe and tried it before, but it's my favorite. Okay, thanks for watching. That's our video for today. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.